So one simplest tool you can use to generate your videos as a filmmaker, as a whatsoever you want to do with your content creation, you can use this particular website, AI GenMax. Then also, if you want to maintain consistent characters throughout the video generation, there's another video I'll be doing on that. One simplest way you can easily do it without struggling. So this the easiest way you can use now. The app is free. It isn't an app yet. It is actually free. You can generate as long and as many as you want. So make use of it with your phone. With your phone, you can easily generate and create your movie instantly. Yeah. And another tool which I believe you are aware of, you can use this Grok. You can easily use Grok to generate your movies, and this one too, you can get consistent characters throughout. So those aiming to generate or create their 3D animations, this is the opportunity for you. It's also unlimited. You can use it as many as you want. So with the consistent characters, I'll be doing another video on that. One easiest way you can be able to get your consistent characters. They will talk. You give them the instruction, the prompt, the specific character you want in the image or in the background to talk and make a comment in a conversation. Grok can help you do that. So I intentionally muted it and so that the sound wouldn't. So that's it. It isn't anything difficult. With your smartphone, you can easily generate your 3D animations. So if you are new on this channel, if this has been helpful, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share to bless others. Come back and watch and expect more videos and tutorials. Thank you.